Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunita. In this video I'm going to show you a recipe of everyone's favorite, which is nothing but cupcakes. I'm going to make butterscotch cupcakes today. It's a very simple recipe, and as always I'll be giving the exact measurements in the description box below so that it would be easier for you to take a snapshot. Come on, let's get started. I'm going to take 1.5 cups maida. Ensure that you take the exact measurements for this recipe. We need to sift all the dry ingredients, so I'm adding it to a sieve. Along with it, I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Sift it well and keep it aside. To another bowl, I'm adding 100 grams of room temperature butter, to which I'm adding 1 cup of powdered sugar. Mix it well, and then using an electric beater, beat it for around 3 to 4 minutes or until it turns pale yellow. If you're using a hand whisk, you'll have to beat it for more than 8 to 10 minutes. And now this is the exact consistency that we want. And now to this, I'm going to add 2 eggs, one at a time. Add 1 egg, beat it well using the beater, and then add the next egg and then beat it again. So the egg should be incorporated with the butter that we have added. And now this is ready. To this I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of butterscotch essence. You can find this in any baking essential shop, or even you can find it in Amazon. If you do not find this, you can replace this with vanilla essence. And now to this I'm going to add all the dry ingredients that we have sifted. Add little at a time and then use cut and fold method and mix it well. I'm also going to add 3/4 cup of milk. Add milk little at a time, that is 1 portion of dry ingredients and little milk. Cut and fold method, mix it well, and the rest of the dry ingredients again. And this is the exact consistency. Let's pour this in the cupcake liner. So this is my kid arranging the cupcake liners in the mold. She is very much interested in baking, and this is her favorite step to do. And to the cupcake liners, I'm going to add the batter. Fill it halfway through because it will rise when it bakes. I have already preheated the oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and I'm going to bake this for around 20 minutes at the same temperature. And after 20 minutes, the cupcakes are done. I'm going to keep it outside until it comes to room temperature. Meanwhile, let's beat some whipping cream. I have taken 1/4 cup of whipping cream. Beat it well using a beater, so we should get stiff peaks. And now this is ready. I'm going to divide it into 2 halves. I'm going to make 2 colors out of it. I'm going to use lemon yellow and blue color. You can use any colors of your choices. And I'm using the rosette piping nozzle and going to make some rosette designs. You can make any designs of your choices, or you can use any nozzles that you would prefer to. And I also have some butterscotch pearls, and even these are available easily in any baking supply store. So I'm just using this to garnish. You can also use any colored sprinkles or even grated chocolates to decorate it. It's completely up to you. Our yummy cupcakes are now ready. How cute are these? They look so cute. They are so cute and small. Definitely give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.